Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐤𝐚𝐿 and welcome in Wallah platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and notifications comes, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on Wallah platform. Many students have a GATE score of 2024, 23 and 22, or they are looking for the options of IITs, Masters, PhDs from reputed IITs or NITs. So guys, in today's particular video, I am going to discuss about CCMT portal. Guys, as you know, like IITs take admission through 𝐂𝐽 portal, and whatever offer you will receive from IITs that available on 𝐂𝐽 portal. Similarly, for NIT CCMT portal works. There are little bit some differences I am going to highlight in this particular video, rather than maximum things are same. So guys, if we talk about CCMT portal for 2024, the portal is live now, and some informations are already available, but the application process is still not started, because currently 𝐂𝐽 process is going on. So after completing 2 or 3 round of 𝐂𝐽 IIT admission portal, the CCMT portal application process will also start. And if we talk about, guys, the CCMT portal, then in the latest news section they already mention which type of format you need to maintain for certificates. So this all type of certificates are available in the certificates format. If you belong to SC/ST category, if you belong to OBC category, if you belong to EWS category, so which type of format you need to carry, that will be available. You can just click on this particular link and the PDFs of this particular documents are available. So you need to prepare your document accordingly. So guys, as per my opinion, they just highlight it because at the end moment many students are facing problem of not having a proper documents. So they just release the format of all the certificates even before starting the application date. And guys, if we talk about information vouchers are also available. If you are able to observe, they release their information voucher. In this particular information voucher, similarly in IITs also release in 𝐂𝐽 portal, particularly every details of regarding this is available. If we talk about centralized counseling for M.Tech, M.Arch and M.Plan admission CCMT 2024 information vouchers, many details are available here. And if we talk about like chairman messages are also available, and list of abbreviation, types of fees, eligibility, merit list preparation methods, everything is available in this particular information vouchers. So guys, if you talk about IIT's admission portal, then once you received offer from IITs, then the retain, accept and reject options are available. But if you talk about NIT admission portal, then float, slide, surrender or options are available to you. So what is the meaning of this particular options? Float means if one NITs offer you admission in first round, then you need to pay seat acceptance fees. And if you are looking for better NITs, better courses, then you can choose float options. So that particular option which come in your round first, that particular option is secure, but you also have a opportunity to get a better career, better options of NITs in upcoming rounds. So this type of features are useful through the float. If we talk about slide, then if you want same IITs but better courses, like for an example, you receive offer from NIT Kurukshetra and the course are different, and you are looking for the better course on same NITs, then you need to use a slide options. Slide option help you in this. And if you are not happy with a particular NIT and particular courses too, and you want like I want different type of NIT in upcoming rounds, then you can use surrender options. This type of features are available. And guys, if you talk about like IIT's 𝐂𝐽 portal, then you need to register on 𝐂𝐽 portal, and once you register in 𝐂𝐽 portal, you will receive one 𝐂𝐽 registration ID. And while filling the application form on different IIT's application portal, you need to put that particular 𝐂𝐽 registration number. So whenever the first round, second round, third round happen, you will receive offer from that particular IITs if you shortlisted. But in CCMT, the procedure is different. Only the CCMT portals will help you to get admission. So you need to register on CCMT portal. You need to choose your preference of like 30-40 list like which NITs, which courses you want. Accordingly, the best possible options they will provide you in your first round, and once you get an offer, you can use the multiple tools available to you. Accordingly, they will work. So guys, in today's particular video, I discussed lots of things about CCMT portal. If you have any confusion, you can join 𝐂𝐚𝐿_PW Telegram channel, where lots of students previously part of the postgrad guidance, and they currently doing their masters from NITs. They are also available. I am also available. So whenever you stuck in any issues, any doubts, you can just put your doubts in 𝐂𝐚𝐿_PW Telegram channel, where your doubt will be resolved as soon as possible. Still, the application process is not begun. Only the portals are live, and application portal will begin in upcoming 10 days. So don't worry. Whenever the application portal begin, I will inform you on Telegram channel 𝐂𝐚𝐿_PW. And if you have any other doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you so much, guys. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.